Hi, Tim Qualls down for Around Town. Today we're down in Dover, Delaware at the Sheridan. Everybody knows where that's at. And we're having the big manufacturers and legislative brunch here in Dover. There's a lot more that takes place than just this little exhibit area. Everybody walks around, takes some of the look at some of the products. They have meetings in the mornings, and where they try to educate and help educate the local businesses on what's happening and everything else. We had a little bit of that going on this morning. We're going to take a look. Well, first we're going to take a commercial break. So stay. You don't want to go anywhere. Stay with us. We've got an exciting part coming up. We'll be right back right after this. All right, welcome back here once again. This is Manufacturers Legislative Brunch being put on by the Delaware State Chamber, as it does each and every year. We're down here in Dover, Delaware at the Sheridan, and I'm telling you, a lot of exhibitors showed up. We got the chance to talk to some of them, but there were so many more of them. You had the Delaware Energy Answer program going on. You have just so many different businesses that were here, and they get involved each and every year. But before they come out and stroll around the setup area, you have speakers that come in and speak about different things each and every year. This year, it's great speaking going on. Well, I tell you what, let's take a look at that real quick, and then we'll come back and I'll tell you what else took place after that.
As always, it is my pleasure to be here. I enjoy visiting with you and having the opportunity to chat with individuals and learn just a little more about what's happening out in the business community, because that is important to all of us in state government. Still focusing my main priorities on the same 4 areas. And if you think of education, healthcare, economic development, and the environment, you will know that we have achieved a lot, and it does make a difference for the people of this state. We plan to continue that effort to make sure our students have the best possible education, because I'm sure every one of you know the better educated, the better employee you have. And we intend to keep moving in that direction.
I'm telling you, once again, that was what took place this morning. But it goes on all throughout the morning here, because that was the early part of the morning. Then people come out here and they stroll around this area, and they meet good friends like this one here. This is Arlene. She's with the Delaware State Chamber, of course. Arlene, you educated me and got me involved with the State Chamber. I mean, has it been that long? Mm-hmm. And that's an important thing for people to understand. You owe it to yourself. If you're in small business of any kind, what a great opportunity, and what you guys do. Used to I thought, hey, we just get together, I can do that on my own. But there's so much more behind it. If they want to get a hold of you,
you can't beat the networking. For a small business can't afford to go out and spend dollars on advertising and things of that nature. For joining the chamber for a few dollars, you can't beat the networking. All these different events that we have, you can either exhibit or you can just come and meet and exchange business cards. It's terrific.
Yeah, and there's so much more than that. Of course, the legislator, like Robert said earlier, what they do behind you. And then today, like things like this, you get to sit down with the governor and have lunch. And
absolutely. And learn about workman's comp, a big issue. Chamber's been right on top of it, trying to make it better for the businesses in Delaware. You'll meet all the legislators today. You'll meet the governor. And you can sit down and actually talk to them about needs that you have.
And once again, that's done by the Delaware State Chamber. We're going to tease you just a little bit, because we get to have, because they also feed us when we come down here and get involved with these. And every event that you guys do, you pretty much lay out food. So
we do, and that means you've got a diet all the rest of the week. And when you come to one of our events, then you can eat.
Yeah, but this was a nice one to come eat. Like we said, we get to sit down with the governor, have a little lunch. But they get up and talk during the lunch, the brunch, I I should say, and get up there and say some important things. So we're going to tease you a little bit and take a look at some of that that's taking place today, and then we'll come back and wrap it up. Arlene, thanks so much.
Thanks, Tim. Take care. Bye-bye.
Well, I tell you what, let's walk this way. I'm just going to go through here because I know one guy that knows what's exactly going on. That's Robert Johnson down here with the Delaware State Chamber, because you guys put this on every year. This is the Manufacturers Legislative Brunch, if you would. Tell me what takes place here.
Well, there's two events that happen here. It's the Manufacturing Celebration, and it's a manufacturing organization from up and down the state. And, a lot of people think that manufacturing doesn't happen in America anymore. It happens overseas in India and China. But there's a lot that is made right here in Delaware.
What a lot of people don't realize, it's not just mixing markets and things like this. You guys are constantly, you've got people that are working with these legislators each and every week trying to get things done for the small businessman.
We're the largest organization in the state. We have 4 lobbyists in-house. A lot of other organizations farm out or hire contract lobbyists to do their work. We have 4 lobbyists right in our house, full-time employees. And chambers do 3 basic things. One is with the legislative support. Anytime a bill is passed, anytime a bill is proposed, we're there discussing it, explaining to legislators what the impact is going to be on business. Sometimes it's positive, sometimes it's negative. Sometimes we have to stand up and say that won't work, and sometimes we have to give them a nudge and say, here's what we need to do. The state chamber is one of the most powerful organizations in the state getting that done. Second thing we do is we put people together, like events like this, networking, and you might have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're not going to sell any. So we provide opportunities for people to get their word out. And the third thing is we provide businesses with some cost savings benefits. They help each other out. So as a member of the chamber, you can save money on your electricity bill, your health insurance bill, your workers' comp bill, office supplies, your credit card, anything that you need pretty much. If you come to the chamber as a member, you can get it at a reduced rate.
Yeah, if you haven't seen it yet, definitely check out the Delaware State Chamber Show with Robert Johnson. It comes on 3 or 4 times a week, and you're constantly changing that. And once again, information coming out for the small business guy. And the general public, don't hesitate to get involved with this. You can always go online, find out when these events are taking place, and you can come to them. I mean, it's open to anybody.
Absolutely. Anyone can come. There's a little higher rate if you're not a member. You get a discount if you are a member. But it's a great way to come out, meet some people, learn what the chamber's all about. And we know there's a number of people here that have displays. They're not members, but they probably will be by the end of the day because they're going to see the value that the chamber brings to them.
Yeah, and it's all right here for you. This is the one in Dover. We got a quick break, and then when we come back, we got some more people want to talk to. We're going to take a tour around here, see the different vendors that's here, maybe meet some of those ones. And I can convince anybody to join the chamber because I think that's what it's all about. And it took me a few years to understand exactly what you guys do. You educated me along with Arlene. I want to give her thanks. We got to take a quick break. Check out Robert's show, and we'll be right back with more from the Delaware State Chamber Manufacturers and Legislative Brunch here in Dover. Stay with us.